Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we continue with our Tajweed workshop series. We will begin with module number 6, the rules of Mim Sakina. Don't forget to join Qiraat Club, our free Telegram group where you can practice what you've learnt, inshallah. So without any further delay, let's jump straight into it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. It is crucial to understand Mim Sakina and its rules because every time you come across a Mim Sakina when reciting the Glorious Qur'an, one of the three following rules will apply. These are: number 1, Ikhfa Shafawi; number 2, Idgham Shafawi; and number 3, Idhar Shafawi. You should recall Idgham, Ikhfa and Idhar from our previous videos on the rules of Noon Sakina and Tanweed. Yep, you guessed it, it's the same, it applies for Mim Sakina too, however there's a slight difference. Shafawi just means lips. Shafatan in Arabic means the two lips. So Shafa is one lip, Shafawi means of the lips. So these rules regarding the Mim Sakina are known as Shafawi because the Mim is pronounced from the lips. Mim. And just in case you've forgotten or need a reminder what a Mim Sakina is, well, it's a Mim, as we have here, with a sukoon on it. So remember, sukoon is the absence of a vowel. So it does not have to necessarily be written. If there is a Mim without a haraka on it, if there is a Mim without a fatha, dhamma or kasra, that means it is Mim Sakina. Sometimes Sakina can be shown by a sukoon, which is this circle, or a little apostrophe, or an upside down triangle, or as I've said, it can also just be the absence of a haraka. So let's move on to rule number 1, Ikhfa Shafawi. We mentioned in the Ikhfa Haqiqi video that Ikhfa means to hide. So it is when we hide the letter. And as I've said, Shafa means lip. So if a Mim Sakina is followed by a Ba, then the Mim will be pronounced in such a way that both lips do not come into contact. So it's as if we are hiding, doing Ikhfa of the Mim. It is as if we are hiding the Mim between our two lips with Ghunna for 2 harakat. So if we take a look at the following examples, inshallah, we have فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. So فَبَشِّرْهُمْ, hum. Here we have a Mim. It has no fatha, no dhamma or no kasra on it, so that means it is Mim Sakina, and it is followed by a Ba. So we know that is Ikhfa Shafawi. I must pronounce the Mim in such a way that both lips do not come into contact, as if the Mim is hidden between my lips, with Ghunna for 2 harakat. So it will not be read as فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. It will be فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. فَبَشِّرْهُمْ بِعَذَابٍ. Next we have يَعْلَمْ بِأَنَّ. يَعْلَمْ. We have a Mim Sakina followed by a Ba. So I will read the Mim in such a way that it is as if I'm hiding it between my two lips with Ghunna for 2 harakat. We have يَعْلَمْ بِأَنَّ. يَعْلَمْ بِأَنَّ. يَعْلَمْ بِأَنَّ. Notice my lips. يَعْلَمْ. I've not closed them, but I've not left them open either. يَعْلَمْ. I'm hiding the Mim between my lips with Ghunna for 2 harakat. يَعْلَمْ بِأَنَّ. Next we have رَبُّهُمْ. Mim Sakina, no vowel on the Mim, no fatha, no dhamma, no kasra, and it is followed by a Ba. So that is Ikhfa Shafawi. So we have رَبُّهُمْ بِذَنْبِهِمْ. Alhamdulillah, this is a very interesting example because as you can see here, we also have a Noon Sakina, and that's followed by a Ba, which we know from previous videos is Iqlab. And this is also further shown by the fact that the Noon has a Mim on it. So that Noon will be read as a Mim. So in this instance, of course, we will close our lips. When we do Iqlab, we close our lips because the Noon has changed into a Mim. So it is بِذَنْبِهِمْ. But Ikhfa Shafawi and Iqlab are like cousins. They're both very similar rules as they are Ghunna involving the Mim. But in Ikhfa Shafawi, we keep a gap between the lips because we're doing Ikhfa, we're hiding the Mim between our two lips, whereas in iqlab we're changing the noon into a meme, so we close the two lips and do ghunna for two harakat. So this is the example: rabbuhum bidhanbihim, rabbuhum bidhanbihim, rabbuhum bidhanbihim. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.